Okay, so this is the mifaso outlet extender surge protector. You have compact packaging, one USB-C, two USB-A, for easy connections to power your devices. You have your surge protector indicator here, two outlets in the front, two on the side, two on the other side, and then your 3-prong connector. So just to go ahead and put it in. And once you do, you'll notice that the surge protector icon here lights up to let you know that everything is working properly. Now the benefit of this, because many of these out there on the market, is you could do this. You can easily tilt it so you can get it in an angle that fits you best. So we have like tight spaces, that's the benefit. So I'm gonna swing around and show you a practical application of where I put this in the kitchen. I need an extender for the kitchen. You see there's a lot of stuff here, but it's a tight space. But here I was able to get it in and then be able to push this up to get at the perfect angle so that everything fits perfectly. And you can see how that looks. Here I ordered a white one, and you can see the light is on to indicate that it's being protected. So yeah, the mifaso outlet extender might come in handy for certain situations depending on the space you need it in.
So I bought this outlet extender to be used in a bathroom that has a GFCI outlet. So this is GFCI compatible. And some of the reviews had indicated that they thought that the fit on this was a little loose. However, I'm finding that the turning it from either this direction or to the other direction is actually quite firm. So I have no complaints about that. I think that this is probably going to be a winner for our application in a bathroom with a GFCI, and you still have access to the upper plug, which is nice, and two USB-A's, one USB-C. I kind of wish that was backwards or had the option of doing one A and one C or two C's, but I think this is going to be just right for the application that I need it for.
This is the 6-outlet surge protector. I plugged it in just to show you before I show you the other side. There's a USB-C port, 2 USB ports, a lot of plugs, so I can plug anything in, which is great because I needed more plugs. And there's a green light on to let you know that the surge is being protected. And if you unplug it, the plugs come out very easily. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plugs. And then as I mentioned before, the 2 USB and the USB-C. So I'm very happy with this purchase, especially knowing that it is a surge protector. I hope you found this useful. Have a good day.
This was the second power extender cord thing that I purchased for this little outlet. I bought a different one and didn't realize how close that it would come to this wall, so I really like this one because it can twist and move, and I can have it in any direction that makes sense for my space. Obviously, there's lots of plugs, a couple that go unused on this side because of how I have it, but it's nice to have the option, and it's doing exactly what I need it to do.
Hey, it's Savannah. I have this brand wall plug that you can move side to side to fit whatever space that you need. It also has 2 USB, 1 USB-C plug, that is very nice to use. It has 2 front, 1 on the side, and 2 on the other side. I love this product.
This is extraordinary news coming from